AI is changing the way we create logos. Traditional methods often required extensive time and expertise, but AI is streamlining this process, making it more efficient and accessible. In 2024, AI logo design tools are more powerful than ever. These tools leverage advanced algorithms and machine learning to understand design principles and generate high-quality logos. They are also easier to use. User-friendly interfaces mean that even those without a background in design can navigate these tools with ease. This means anyone can create a professional-looking logo even without any design experience. The democratization of design is one of the most exciting aspects of AI technology. AI is making logo design faster and more affordable. What used to take days or even weeks can now be accomplished in a matter of minutes. You no longer need to hire an expensive designer. AI tools offer a cost-effective alternative, allowing businesses to allocate their resources more efficiently. AI tools can generate hundreds of logo options in minutes. This variety ensures that you can find a design that perfectly aligns with your brand's identity. You can then customize the logo to fit your brand. The flexibility of these tools allows for endless creativity and personalization. AI logo design tools are constantly evolving. Developers are continually updating these tools to include new features and improve their capabilities. New features and capabilities are being added all the time. This continuous improvement ensures that users always have access to the latest and greatest in design technology. This means that the future of logo design is very exciting. As AI continues to advance, we can only imagine the incredible possibilities that lie ahead for designers and businesses alike. There are many AI logo design tools available today, each offering unique features and capabilities to help you create the perfect logo for your brand or business. With the rapid advancements in artificial intelligence, these tools have become more sophisticated, making it easier than ever to design professional quality logos without needing extensive graphic design skills. Here are a few of the top options that you should consider when looking for an AI logo design tool in 2024. These tools not only save you time but also provide a wide range of customization options to ensure your logo stands out. Fiverr AI Logo Generator. This tool is very user-friendly and is perfect for those who are new to logo design. Fiverr's AI Logo Generator guides you through the process step by step, making it simple to create a professional logo. You simply select your industry, choose the elements you want to include in your logo, and customize the colors and fonts. The interface is intuitive, allowing you to see real-time changes as you make adjustments. The Fiverr AI Logo Generator also has a personality slider that lets you make your logo more serious, playful, or modern. This feature is particularly useful for aligning your logo with your brand's identity and tone. alogogenerator.net-. This tool is another great option for beginners. It offers a straightforward interface that makes the logo creation process quick and easy. It is very easy to use and generates high-quality logos. The tool provides a variety of templates and design elements that you can mix and match to create a unique logo that fits your brand. Looka AI Logo Maker. Looka is a popular AI logo design tool that offers a wide range of customization options. It is known for its versatility and the ability to create logos that are both unique and professional. You can use Looka to create a logo for your business, website, or social media. The tool also provides branding packages that include business cards, social media kits, and more, making it a comprehensive solution for your branding needs. Logo Pony. Logo Pony is a great option if you need a logo quickly. It is designed to generate logos in a matter of minutes, making it ideal for those who are on a tight deadline. It can generate a logo in minutes. The tool uses advanced AI algorithms to create a variety of logo designs based on your inputs, ensuring that you get a high-quality logo in no time. You can then customize the logo to your liking. Logo Pony offers a range of customization options including color schemes, fonts, and layout adjustments, allowing you to fine-tune your logo until it perfectly represents your brand. In conclusion, the advancements in AI technology have made logo design more accessible and efficient than ever before. Whether you are a small business owner, an entrepreneur, or someone looking to rebrand, these AI logo design tools offer a range of features and customization options to help you create a logo that truly represents your brand. Explore these tools and find the one that best fits your needs. There are many benefits to using AI tools for logo design. Here are a few of the key advantages. Cost savings. AI logo design tools are much more affordable than hiring a traditional designer. Professional look. AI-generated logos can look just as professional as logos designed by humans. Fast creation. AI tools can generate a logo in minutes, which is much faster than the traditional design process. AI logo design tools are a great option for businesses of all sizes. They are particularly beneficial for small businesses and startups that may not have the budget to hire a designer. AI is constantly evolving. New and more powerful AI models are being developed all the time. These advanced AI models are capable of creating even more impressive and sophisticated logos. Here are a few examples of advanced AI models for logo generation. Flux 1.1 Pro. This model is known for its high-quality output and fast processing speeds. It is ideal for creating professional logos with a lot of detail. Stable Diffusion XL. This model is known for its ability to create unique and creative logos. It is a good option if you are looking for a logo that is truly one of a kind. Advanced AI models are still under development, but they have the potential to revolutionize the logo design industry. Section 5. Creating a logo with Canva, a step-by-step guide. Canva is a popular online design platform that offers a wide range of tools for creating professional-looking graphics. Whether you're a seasoned designer or a complete beginner, Canva provides an intuitive interface that makes the design process straightforward and enjoyable. From social media posts to business cards, Canva has you covered. One of the standout features of Canva is its logo maker. This tool is incredibly user-friendly, allowing anyone to create stunning logos without any prior design experience. The drag-and-drop functionality, combined with a vast library of elements, makes it easy to bring your vision to life. Here is a step-by-step guide to creating a logo with Canva. Follow these simple steps and you'll have a professional-looking logo in no time. First, sign up for a Canva account. If you already have an account, simply log in. Canva offers both free and paid plans, so you can choose the one that best fits your needs. Canva has a free plan that you can use to create a logo. The free plan provides access to a wide range of tools and templates, making it a great option for those just starting out. However, if you need more advanced features, you might consider upgrading to one of Canva's premium plans. Next, search for logo templates. Canva's search functionality is robust, allowing you to find templates that match your specific needs. Simply type in keywords related to your industry or style, and Canva will present you with a variety of options. Canva has a wide range of logo templates to choose from. Whether you're looking for something modern, classic, or quirky, you're sure to find a template that suits your brand's personality. Take your time to browse through the options and select a template that resonates with you. You can search for templates by industry, style, or color. This allows you to narrow down your options and find the perfect starting point for your logo. Once you've selected a template, it's time to customize it to make it truly unique. Once you have found a template you like, you can customize it to fit your brand. Canva's editing tools are powerful yet easy to use. You can adjust the colors, fonts, and layout to match your brand's identity. Don't be afraid to experiment with different elements until you achieve the desired look. You can change the colors, fonts, images, and layout. Canva offers a wide range of customization options, allowing you to tweak every aspect of your logo. You can even upload your own images or icons to add a personal touch. Finally, once you're satisfied with your design, it's time to download your logo. Once you are happy with your logo, you can download it in a variety of formats, such as PNG, JPG, and PDF. Canva also offers options for high-resolution downloads, which are perfect for printing. With your new logo in hand, you're ready to make a lasting impression. Section 6. Practical tips for effective logo design. Here are a few practical tips for creating an effective logo. Keep it simple. A simple logo is easier to remember and recognize. Make it relevant. Your logo should be relevant to your brand and industry. Choose the right colors. Colors can evoke emotions and associations. Use a legible font. Your logo should be easy to read, even at small sizes. Section 7. Canva, your logo design partner. Canva is more than just a logo maker, it's a complete design platform that you can use to create all sorts of marketing materials for your business, such as social media posts, posters, flyers, business cards, and presentations. Canva makes it easy to create professional-looking marketing materials that are consistent with your brand. Want to learn more about graphic design? Watch the video on the left. Ready to create your own logo with Canva? Click the video on the right to get started.